Hey YouTube, Tech for Time here, and today I'll be doing the second episode of my Top Cydia Tweak series. Okay, so starting off with episode 2, first tweak today is SBsettings. When you download SBsettings, you'll get this app, SBsettings app, and you can go into it and select activation methods to choose how to start it. I have it on swipe left and right on status bar. So I'll show you what happens now. So I go to the status bar and I swipe to the left, and this window pops down, and you can choose all these toggles here to quick access to 3G, to mobile data, the brightness. You won't be able to see that on the screen recorder, but it works. The Bluetooth, closing all processes. And to choose your toggles, I also power, respring, dock, refresh. I don't know what those ones are, but I have used power and respring. You can click into more and go down to set window toggles, and you can choose out of all these ones which you want. And more will install if you install different things. Those ones I use. SBsettings is real handy. I find myself using it every single day for turning on Wi-Fi instead of going into settings and everything. And it tells you everything down here. Okay, my second tweak today is SBBrightness Buttons. I'm not sure if this goes along with SBsettings, but when you go into settings, it'll be there in your settings. So if you go into that, you can enable it or disable it. Choose the increase button, the minus button, and the button color. I have a white at the moment, so if you see these buttons down here at the bottom, they change the brightness. It's handy and quick rate change brightness. And so you can change the color of them, turn it to green. So they're green now. You won't be able to see this brightness on the screen recorder, but it works. Okay, my third tweak today is called MxTube. It's a YouTube downloader, and you can also watch and stream videos off YouTube. So you just search the videos you want. I'll just search my own channel. Spell that wrong. Okay, so you can when you go into the video, you have choices to stream it and all the different qualities, and then download it in the different qualities. If you want to download, you just click download and the quality, and it'll tell you your download has started. If you click close, you can see it downloading there, and when it's downloaded, these are all your download ones, and you can watch them when they're done, and you don't need internet to watch them because you've downloaded them. Okay, so my fourth tweak today is called SMS timestamps. This will also be in the settings when you download it, and you can choose to enable or disable it and how often you want the timestamps to appear. So when you're in messages and you send messages, it will tell you at every message what time the message is sent at. So these ones are 32 minutes past 1, this one's at 1:40, and the dates. Okay, so my last tweak today, number 5, is SwipeShiftCaret or Caret, or I don't know how to pronounce that. This will also be in the settings when you download it. There's a few different settings there that you can change up if you want, but I leave it the way it is. And the way you use this is when you're typing. So if I type a few things and I make a mistake, instead of holding the magnifying glass and searching through it, you just swipe on the screen, you just slide along. And this will go along, so you can just go to your mistake, delete, go to more mistakes, delete, and so on. Thanks for watching my second episode of my top favorite tweaks of Cydia. I know some of these mightn't be tweaks, it might be apps, but it's kind of just my favorite Cydia downloads, but call it tweaks anyways. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't already.